Berta Jay, and you're back in my kitchen with me after the holiday. How about that? Still rhyming. And I wanted to share with you just a thought that keeps going through my mind, and that is, let us this year be more concerned about being healthy than we are about losing weight, unless you've got tons of pounds to lose. But if you make healthy choices, I think that'll make a difference. Here's the thing. Today I want to share with you some snacks. And I know there are a lot of people who are experts in the field of whole food, plant-based, and vegan that don't eat snacks. But sometimes you need a snack because you didn't plan for where you are at that particular time. And if you could go and find something that you know would be more healthy than grabbing a bag of potato chips, some Fritos or Doritos, I think it would help. Here's what I'm going to share with you. I've only got two of them are ones that I make, but two of them are from the store. Okay? The first one is Hippies. I'm not getting anything for either one of these, so I'm not endorsing a product, but I just want you to be able to go and grab a snack and say, okay, don't eat the whole bag, but eat some of them and go get some water or a tonic water or something like that to eat with this, and it'll fill you up until you can get home or wherever you're going. At our grocery store, we have 4 different flavors. We have a barbecue, which I didn't bring. We have a vegan white cheddar, and then there's another one. There's 4 different ones. Well, anyway, we usually get this one if I'm desperate. And it's made from chickpeas. And what they look like, that's probably more than an ounce, but what they look like are very fat Cheetos, but they're harder than that because they're made from chickpeas, chickpea flour, rice flour, tapioca starch, pea hull fiber. It's all the whole food plant-based things. It's flour, yes, but I think it's a better choice. It does have some oil in it, but I do know that this is a better choice than you eating a bag of potato chips or some nachos by Doritos. And they're crunchy, and they are definitely drier than the Cheetos. I think they're really good. There's no animal products in this one, okay? That's the first one. I think they're good. Eat them slow, they're very good. The second one I've been eating for years, popcorners. Just make sure when you get popcorners that you read the ingredients. And here, it's yellow corn, sunflower oil, and sea salt. That's all that's in here. And all it is pressed popcorn. An ounce is about 20 chips, which is about this. This can be a little bit salty. So what I do is I have a handy pastry brush. You can brush it off with a pastry brush. And you'll find that a lot of salt, you can't feel it on this counter, but my fingertips, I just brushed it off. My hands were clean. That's how much salt came off with me just brushing it. If they're too salty for you, you can try it. If it's not, eat it the way it is. Okay, so those are 2. These and these. Now, these 2 I make on my channel, which I like. These are spicy chickpeas. And they're just, you open a can of chickpeas and put some spices on it. Doesn't have any oil, doesn't have anything. It's just chickpeas with spices that you've baked. I believe it's at 400 for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. It's very good. Okay, so that's another one. And then, of course, a lot of you know that I like to dehydrate my tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes, I found out from one of my viewers, one of my troopers. And so I do that. These are very good. And it gives you the crunch that you like. So, 2 from Berta's channel. You can look for the cherry tomatoes here, as well as the spicy chickpeas here. These come from the store, Hippies, and these come from the store, Popcorners. Neither of which I'm getting any money for. But if Hippies or Popcorners want to sponsor a video, that's fine, but we are not sponsored by either one. The other thing I would ask you to run in and try is if that eating a piece of fruit is good. Go and get your favorite piece of fruit and I don't know, rinse it off in the bathroom if you have a chance, or just eat it. whatever's on is not going to kill you in that one fruit that you're going to get. And get something that's pretty sizable so that you can eat it. I ate an apple the other day. I was going to eat it with my breakfast, but I just ate it and drank some water and I was so full. When you eat whole foods, you'll find out that you get fuller faster. These are whole foods right here, these chickpeas. So you'll get fuller and you could eat maybe a half a can and you'd be fine. And these are just dried tomatoes and they're very, very good too. So that's my video coming back from the holiday, is that I think if we start the year thinking this way, make healthier choices with the foods that you eat, what goes in your mouth, you're gonna find out that in a few months, you're gonna make better choices all the time. And if you have to lose weight, the weight will come off. That's what I'm gonna be doing. So let's keep checks on each other, okay? So until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell. Don't forget to leave some comments below. Let me know what you think. And don't forget that you still are getting the 20% off from any of your orders that you make at Wild Grows with the key code. Is that what you call it? A key code?
Yeah, promo code.
A promo code, Berta Jay 20, all written together. You'll get 20% off. Okay? So I hope this was beneficial for you. It was helpful. If you don't eat salt, you're an SOS person. This is not for you. This one is be the only one, because it's the only one that just comes with the natural salt in it. Okay? The rest of them have salt. So until next time, troopers, I will have another video for you that will make you smile and make you happy. Okay? Bye for now.